I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial because so many people have been asking and I've been holding it off, but I'm doing it for you guys. Starting with concealer, I use two concealers. I use the House Labs. I actually recently just started using this. I place that in my inner corner and outer edge of my eye, and I put Hourglass right here. I blend my concealer with a beauty blender. I just find like it blends way better for me. My trick for my under eyes is after I put on one layer, I will like do another dot and I let it dry while I do my contour. The contour I use is from LYS and it's in shade Harmony. Oh shit. See, this is like, I have to do it in this mirror. I did it like weird.
Damn, bro, have you already used it?
If you ever see me in a video and I look really orange, it's because I put too much of this on. I'm getting ready because my sisters and I are going right now to film a new YouTube video for Halloween. I'm so excited. We have like a few fun ideas that we are filming for you guys and editing. We already started editing one of the videos and I think you guys are gonna really like it. I'm just gonna quickly put on the Charlotte Tilbury Pink Gasm. I'm gonna put that just on the apples of my, not the apples, like, what is that called? My cheekbones. I blend this with my fingers. I just set my under eyes with the Cherry Blossom Cake from Huda Beauty. It has such a nice blurring effect under my eyes. I'm just gonna put on some Dior. I use the Hourglass brush. This is gonna sound a little bit crazy, but I'm also gonna put on the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush in shade Pink Dahlia on top. I feel like my makeup washes out pretty fast. That's why I like to pack on like multiple blushes. I feel like it lasts longer. Makeup Forever 606, and now I'm gonna put the Huda Beauty on top, and then a little bit of the Tower 28 lip gloss in shade Oat. I just filled in my eyebrows and now I'm just setting them with the 24-hour setting by Benefit because my eyebrows tend to drop. Okay, I blended my nose contour and sometimes I like to put fake freckles, so I use the Anastasia. I also do my eyebrows with this as well in shade medium brown. I put some just across my nose like this, and then some up here. And then sometimes I kind of go like, okay, my earrings. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on my mascara. I like to use the non-waterproof one, the gold one, but because we're filming today, I'm gonna use this one. It's just a pain to take off. Guys, I gotta go quick because I'm running out of time, but I'm going to use this gel liner from Hourglass and then waterline my eyes with this white from Annabelle. After I'm done my makeup, I always make sure to add a nice perfume. I'm gonna put you guys on to the best perfume that I've been using lately. It is amazing. It's called Unmute by Noise. I've never gotten more compliments in my life than when I use this, and I spray it everywhere. This is the final look. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this, because honestly, it was actually pretty fun.